This video is rated YTPG, YouTube PG for loud beeping. And it's only a joke because this is Planet Gaming on the second channel. Now, I have 4 smoke alarms. Now, there's a little bit of tale behind why I have these. I used to have a huge interest in smoke alarms. And these are the only ones left. Except for the Universal up there. Anyways, we'll start with the Firex model number i4618. Then we'll go to the BRK model number FG250, which it's sort of like the Family Guard that's in my basement, but it's got an LED. We're showing the First Alert model number 9120B, 9120B, and then the Cadet PE120. So here we go. i4618. Sorry, it's just really noisy. BRK FG250. There goes my Howard Miller. Here we go. First Alert, I forgot the model number, but it's hardwired. There we go. That was funny. PE120.